This is how you film every angle as a self-shooter. I am in the middle of unboxing this product that was sent to me by a company called Coalax. They make these modular backpacks for outdoor enthusiasts, photographers and videographers. They reached out to me, I looked at their product and it actually looked quite interesting. A lot of camera bag manufacturers have reached out to me asking me to review their stuff. I want to be very careful with what I review because I don't want to mislead anyone. I don't want to endorse products that I don't believe in. So I told them this. I'm going to tell my honest thoughts about this thing. So here you're seeing my first impressions of this. It's quite a unique camera backpack. I've never seen anything like it. When I first got that box, I was like, holy crap, it is so heavy. And the thing that's so heavy was the fact that there is a power station built into it. So I believe you can get a few different models of this backpack, and this one features a power station, which actually really excited me because how many times are you out on a shoot and say you're a one-man band or a freelancer, drones, you have cameras, you have like a B camera and A camera, all the batteries that you have, probably action cameras, maybe 360 cameras, 300 watt hours. So we're yet to figure out how much that can recharge. In an ideal world, you'd be able to load all your gear in this backpack that has a frame and a structure. You slot the battery pack in there as well, and you are fully set with everything you need to do a shoot. I have to be honest with you, the build quality of this thing looks sick from the get-go. So this top part is separate from this main camera cube so that you can, I guess, replace the battery. If you don't want to take the battery with you, there's like another module that you can slot on the front here. So you don't have the battery, but you have all the space that you need. It's not leather. It's, I guess, would it be false leather maybe? But the zips, they look weatherproof. The frame is plasticky material. Looks like there's a bunch of different mounting points here. And there's a little piece here, which I believe is to mount your magic arm, which you can then apparently attach 360 cameras to. There's a 1/4 inch screw into a 360 camera or any other little action camera. So I guess you can film behind the scenes, you can have all your stuff. I'm excited to dig into this. There's pouches on the straps, metal clips. So I guess you can unclip the straps from here, but you can't unclip them from here, but you could take them out of here. Interesting. I'm really interested in exploring this a little bit more. My only concern is that it is very heavy, and I wonder if it's too heavy to be practical, but we'll see. I'm going to use this thing. You have everything you're going to need to sustain yourself for a while as a filmmaker. It's quite appealing. Anyway, that was my first impressions. It looks really cool. I'm excited to check out the power bank, see how much we can charge with this thing, check out the magic arm. Coalax is fully aware that I'm going to speak my mind, so stay tuned for the full review where I'll be demonstrating the use cases for this. I'll show it in action and I'll give you my real thoughts after having used it for a while. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave me a comment down below. And of course, as always, all my affiliate links for this gear is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.